Hey everybody, it's Tina.
Hey.
Wendy.
Okay, so this is a little odd because we have both of our cameras going at the same time.
That is weird.
So she's streaming live on her Facebook and I'm streaming live on my Facebook. So we're kind of like looking back and forth.
Two cameras.
In between. But we figured this would be the easiest way to do this.
Hey Christy.
Hey Christy. And Katie's not here because she comes in about 9:30, so I told her don't worry about coming because she said she felt weird the last time she was here, like she was just sitting and being quiet.
Oh, we love Katie. Hey Chris.
Hey Chris. So holiday paper party. Our PJ party was awesome.
It was amazing.
It was so good.
We had a lot of fun. It was a little different than I thought it was going to be, but then when we did it was so fun. Everybody had a great time. Well,
and we had a few lessons learned that we won't be repeating this time. So one of those lessons was part of what you're buying into is not just a regular paper share. So I guess we should back up and explain what everything is.
What is this all about?
So the holiday paper share is where you get the 6x6 packs of designer series paper. They come in 12x12 packs, and then we take them and we cut them down into 6x6 packs, and you get a quarter of each pack. So this is 2 of the new papers. We don't have them all because they're not available yet. But we've got 2 of the new papers here.
They're gorgeous.
And
show a little bit.
I'll
show yours too.
You get a quarter of every pack. So we just literally cut each pack right in half 2 ways.
So you get 2 of each sheets, which is so cool.
Yeah. That way you have a front and a back.
So you don't have to pick which one. If you love both of them, you can use both of them.
There's that one. And so you get one of each of those, and there's 8 of them. In
8 brand new papers.
In the new holiday catalog. So you get that. And then you have some options of adding some stuff on. But the reason you would add something on it is because we do card kits for every paper pack. And that comes with a PDF that gives you the measurements. It also comes with what we're changing, pre-recorded videos. So instead of trying to follow along with us live, you'll actually have pre-recorded videos. However, we're still going to have an exclusive Facebook group, and we're still going to go live in that group doing some other fun things that you can just join in and enjoy and not have to try to follow along.
So when you get these, the fun part is instead of just getting designer paper and you get this and then you don't know what to do with it, right? You get this and it sits there. We're providing you with a card kit so that you can take this designer paper and make a card with all of the designer papers you get.
And it's already planned out for you.
And it's super simple. So it's really fun to get it and make the cards already.
So then you have the option. This is one of the bundles that we're using, Perfectly Plaid. Sorry, there's a lot of glare.
There's a lot of glare. Yeah, that's okay.
And so there's the other bundle is a snowman bundle that has some
which
really
is
great,
so cute,
and it's got some really great sentiments, and it has framelits.
Yeah.
Right? No, it's a punch.
No,
too.
it's a punch.
It's a punch too. So so you'll get both of those if you choose to. So you can get just the paper party, which is the papers, the card kits, access to the Facebook group, access to the giveaways, being entered into the giveaways, and whatever extra goodies we do, the PDF, the pre-recorded videos, all of that is for $45. If you choose to add these on, then it's $109. So basically, we are covering the cost of shipping and tax on these versus you having to pay shipping and tax on them additionally. So it's actually a pretty significant savings.
Yeah, that's nice.
So,
and the card kits are really nice because they're simple. So you can take those card kits and make other cards too. They don't just have to be holiday cards. So it's a great value for you to have those card sketches to create with.
Right. So then we do 2 giveaways of really nice product, like bundles.
Bundles.
So
last time we gave away the Daisy bundle, and then what bundle did you give away? One with framelits.
Right there still.
It's the cuckoo clock. Yeah,
Cuckoo for you,
which is really fun.
But we did
this is the
tickets.
problem.
And we just like tore them and then gave the other half to the person, and we kept half, but we didn't write names. So what we're going to do in the future is we're going to write names, because people had problems claiming.
We're still trying to get people to claim
the Tracy. Okay, so
ticket fail. Hashtag ticket fail. Yes.
Yeah, it was a ticket fail. So we are gonna change that so that when we draw a ticket, we just know who got it and we can just mail it.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much everything. The party part is the best part of this, because you get to be part of the Facebook group
and then interact with everybody.
Yeah, and then it's a really fun. We do lots of fun little things. We usually have a surprise giveaway or two. There are fun challenges with our PDF, and those are the things we're going to be doing live for you guys.
Right.
So we'll still
Is Katie going to do a little stamping? Oh,
she'll still participate.
Oh,
she'll
good.
still do stamping. So that's what the holiday paper party is all about. If you want to get in on that, you can go to my website or Tina's website, depending on who you're watching right now.
So in the Facebook description, so if you're watching on a device, just tap on the device and all the information will come up. We'll update. It's not in, the link's not in there yet, but we'll update. So just tap on that and you can follow the link. If you're watching on YouTube, in the YouTube description or on our website, so you'll just follow those links. We make it really easy for you guys.
Yep. So that's it. That's the PJ, or not PJ paper. I'm so used to the last one. That's the holiday party. And, of course, we're gonna do it up fun, and maybe we should wear ugly Christmas sweaters.
Oh, that would be kind of fun.
For our live event. Time for work, looking great, ladies. Oh, yay! Tracy will be in Plymouth today.
Oh, yay!
That always makes me happy.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
are there any questions? We'll just wait just a second. Does anybody have any questions? Julie, this is Wendy. She does the party with me. So she designs some of the card kits, and she just does the holiday share with me. We've been friends for a long time. Let's just see. Oh, there was a question up here. Yeah, if you're a demonstrator, you'll be able to pre-order all of this stuff. Huh? Yeah. The stamp sets and everything, you'll get to pre-order those.
Yep. And if you're not a demonstrator, you should consider joining so you can purchase them
early. Right. Yep. Okay, so I'm not seeing any questions. We're kind of scrolling back through.
I don't see any on mine either.
So it looks pretty good.
And for those watching my Facebook feed, I will be live again today at 3. This is not my
regular
normal live event.
We had to fit it in between our schedules.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It would be good to get the bundles in a starter kit. Totally can do that.
Okay, guys, so I think that's it. I think we're going to go. I don't see any questions coming through. So I'll pop that link up on mine soon, and then just sign up.
I'll add the link also. You can sign up, and you will be invoiced August 30th. So when you sign up, don't expect right away to get an invoice. It won't come till August 30th. And you will need to pay that invoice by September 2nd, or you will not get a paper share. So you won't be included.
Right.
So you really have to make sure that gets paid. So here's the other thing we had a huge problem with. Is people signed up and then said, I never got an email. Okay, so here's the deal. If you don't get an email from us and you've signed up and you've used a email address, either you've entered your email incorrectly, or your email box is full and it's rejecting, or it's gone to spam or junk mail, or worst case scenario, we never received your sign up for whatever reason, internet technology things, you never know. So if that's the case, if you, on August 30th, if you do not get an invoice from us, you need to contact us.
Right away.
And
I send out a thank you when you sign up. I'm sure you do too. You send out like a thank you for signing up.
Nope.
Oh, I do. So if you don't get an email from me that says thanks for signing up, you need to contact me.
The 123 form builder thing that I use sends an automated email that just says like, thank you, you've signed up.
So if you don't get that, you need to contact
them. You need to contact
contact us if you don't hear from us. For sure.
Oh, yeah. And then the Postal Service. was a big issue with our last one. We mailed our stuff plenty of time in advance, and we used priority mail, and mine sat in Sacramento for 5 days.
I sent mine. I put mine in the mail 3 days after Wendy did, and people got mine before they got hers because hers got hung up.
Most of mine went fine, but I had like a batch,
a little group
of about 25 that didn't get delivered. So they did get delivered, but just not in time for the party. So
all that to say, we do our very best.
We do our best. We're mailing. We actually have left even a little bit larger gap in mailing this time so that
people have a little bit extra time.
It would have even a little more time to get it. And we've put plenty of disclaimers letting you know that the postal service is not our problem. Like, if it gets lost or what, like, we'll help you find it. We'll help you track it, but unfortunately, postal service is what it is, and sometimes it's fantastic, and other times it's got problems, and there's nothing we can do about that once it leaves our hands.
Right.
So, anyway.
So we're excited, you guys.
Oh, thanks. That was very sweet, Linda. Yeah. She said we both have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so we will let you guys go. Thanks so much for tuning in, and
we look forward to the paper party.
Yeah, we're looking forward to the paper party, and hopefully you'll join us. It's less expensive this time because there's not as many papers. So if it was cost prohibitive for you last time, then this would be a great one to get out.
This is a great time to check out what we're doing. So thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.